Hi guys, welcome back. So today we're going to be doing our last kind of harvest slash cleanup in the garden. We still have our broccoli, some cauliflower, some cabbages planted, and for most of the other beds they have garlics. I'd harvested a few of them maybe a couple nights ago for dinner. We needed some broccolis for I don't know if you guys have ever tried the orange chicken from Trader Joe's, so we decided to go in the back and harvest some broccoli. They were really delicious, super tender. I was eating it raw. Make sure you soak them just to get out any pests that may be inside. But it was really delicious. Even the stalk, usually when I buy from the grocery store, I cut off that, thick green stalk. That one was really soft as well. So you're gonna see me when I harvest. I'm gonna harvest about 2 inches or so below the broccoli plant, as well as some of the leaves. You guys know that you're able to eat the leaves as well. So that's the plan for today. The Brussels sprouts are supposed to be back here, and you could kind of see that they are forming up. I do think that they just needed a little bit more time. See the cauliflower, the color is changing. It's definitely time to get them out. Then we have some broccolis in here. These are like the smaller ones, and you can see those are the areas of the ones that we did take out for dinner. And I'm just going to still have some bigger ones in here. I do think if I was able to go ahead and plant them a month prior to when I did, I would have had a better harvest. But for the little time that they were in the garden, which is like approximately 2 months, I'm really happy with the results. I'm gonna get a container. I forgot to get that so that I could have somewhere to put the broccolis. So this is what we've harvested. We got a good bunch of broccolis on one side, and I have some greens on the other side. Here's another nice bunch. I think I'm going to insert a video of the bunches. I think I had about 4 or 5 that we had harvested previously. So what we're going to do for next year is to just make sure we kind of plant these a month earlier. I think all they need is time. The protection and the netting both worked really well, and I'm happy I went ahead and did that. I would have 0 harvest of broccolis. I think the temperature that they're able to withstand is like around 25. Anything under that, they just kind of wilt, and as you can see with the cauliflower, it just retained too much of that moisture, and that was just not edible. So I should have probably harvested it a few days ago, but that's okay. I am going to go ahead and fill the rest of those beds with some garlics, like I said, some carrots and other seeds. I just want to make sure I'm not going into the winter months leaving beds open, because then that is pointless. So I'm going to end it here because you guys see me do garlics already. I've done very in-depth videos of doing that, and I just kind of want to get it done really quickly. So I'm going to say goodbye now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.